Let's talk about how to write your most beautiful fruit or vegetable paper. Of course, you will need your planning page from yesterday. And then the first step says start with a good attention getter. Remember, an attention getter is something that we write at the very beginning to really grab our reader's attention and make them want to keep reading. Here are some examples of types of attention getters that we have used in the past. You can write a fun fact, you can ask a question, you could even use a sound effect. Let's look what you could write. If you know a fun fact about your fruit or vegetable, you could use it as an attention getter, like this. Strawberries have about 200 seeds on them. You could ask a question. Did you know grapes can grow in North Dakota? Or ask some other question about whatever your topic is. You can even use a sound effect. Crunch, crunch. That's the sound of someone enjoying an apple. This attention getter could be the trickiest part of writing your paper. If you're having a lot of trouble, just ask your reader if they have ever tried whichever fruit or vegetable you picked. Have you ever tried tart and tasty rhubarb? That's another example. Let's look at how I decided to start mine. Remember, my topic is artichokes. I wrote, did you know artichokes are in the same plant family as the sunflower? So that's my attention getter. Now, the next step is to write your opinion. This part shouldn't be too hard. All you have to write is, I think blank, whatever your topic is, fill in the blank, are the most beautiful, and then you'll have to write fruit or vegetable, whichever one you pick. So in my case, I think artichokes are the most beautiful vegetable. Once you have that down, you basically just need to take your reasons from your planning paper and write them in complete sentences. So notice how my first reason says nice green color. I can't just copy down here nice green color. That's not a complete sentence. I will have to write they have a nice green color. Sorry about the sloppy handwriting. I'm just trying to go a little fast. Then take your next reason, round with many layers, and you'll put that into a complete sentence. So I'll write, artichokes are round with many layers. I'll write that down. Then I'll take my third reason, looks like a flower about to bloom. Then I'll write down here, artichokes look like a flower about to bloom. That's because they actually are a flower that's about to bloom. So I have to put these reasons into complete sentences here. That part shouldn't be too tricky, hopefully, because you already thought up the reasons. Now you just have to write them in complete sentences. So right here, I'll write my next reason in a complete sentence. Then I'll write my third reason in a complete sentence. And finally, I have to end with a conclusion so that my reader knows that I'm all done. And the easiest, quickest way is to say, that's why blank, whatever your topic is, are the most, sorry about the sloppy handwriting, most beautiful vegetable or fruit, whichever one you pick. That's why blank are the most beautiful vegetable. Well, my blank, my topic is artichokes. This is not great handwriting, guys. I'm just trying to teach you the format. So once again, looking back at our directions, you need to start with a good attention getter. Then write your opinion. The quickest, easiest way is to fill in the blank. I think blank are the most beautiful vegetable or fruit. You will need 3 reasons. Those are from your planning page. Each reason should be a separate sentence. I didn't write mine here because I'm just trying to go a little fast and teach you the format. I need to go back and finish writing my reasons in. Then end with a conclusion so your reader knows you are done. And the quickest way to end it is to say, that's why blank are the most beautiful vegetable or fruit. Fill in the blank with your topic, and then you are all done.